Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your PayPal name. It's really simple and easy. You can follow this guide on both a mobile device or a computer as well. If you are using a mobile device, what I recommend doing is going into your internet browser on your phone. So leave the PayPal app, open up a browser and then request a desktop site. And then go to paypal.com and log into the account. After you have logged into the account, go to the top left and tap on the three bars like this, and this is going to open up a menu. If you are using PayPal on a computer, then just go to the top right and you are going to go and see a gear or cog icon. Click there and your settings will open. On a mobile device, the menu open, go over to the right, and as you can see, we also got a gear. So go and click that like this, and it will take a moment to load and it will take you to your account settings. Changing your name is super easy. On your account settings, locate the section called profile. This is also going to apply it on a computer, and then you can go and see your name and literally go over to the right of your name, and as you can see, we then have the option for change name, and this both on PayPal on a computer or a mobile device. So tap that or change name, and what you can do is enter the name you want. Just make sure it's the name of your official ID. So maybe before you initially enter, when you set your PayPal account up like a nickname, make sure it's your official name which matches your ID, because sometimes PayPal are going to be asked and go to verify to your account using a government ID, passport or a driving license and other information. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.